Alright, kind of windy, so I'll be yelling, but poor decisions means consequences. I got a bad back, and pulling all these posts up in the springtime is not fun. It usually puts me down for a couple days, so I always try to kind of keep an eye on how far deep I go down. Well, apparently I didn't go down far enough. You guys can't see that. Hold on, let me flip you around. So I gotta spend some time, the old trusty hammer, see if I can't get some of these posts back up and in the ground. Oh, this spring is gonna suck. Alright, I think that'll do until at least the weekend. There's about 3 or 4 that are snapped. I gotta replace them. I'm hoping I have a couple more T-posts laying around. Otherwise, I'm just gonna stop at the store and buy a couple, I guess. I don't know. Oh, this is not fun. Oh. Alright, let's see what you guys, if you guys can see anything. Hold on a second. So, there we go. Let's see what happens. Let's see what this weekend brings. Stay all warm, everybody.